I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group, reporting to you on the livestock market. Today in cattle, the market really held steady. The futures really shrugged off the sagging wholesale beef prices ahead of the cattle on feed, the monthly cattle on feed report today. The cash cattle was also lower, and it was certainly lower from last weekend. And it was kind of like a quiet market, but for a Friday. But it does well for holding steady at this time. We're still looking for possible better news coming next week. The feeders were actually higher, so that's showing some optimism. There has been some buying support ahead of that USDA cattle on feed today. We're still waiting to see what it's going to be. The expectations are that it's going to be kind of decent, so it seems to be already in the market. We've gotten to maybe an equilibrium a little bit for today and certainly for the week. The market still is sitting in an oversold condition, so it really is primed for maybe a little bit of a bounce, and hopefully with an uptick of demand for the Labor Day weekend. I think that we could get that kind of momentum and give the market a little bit of a boost, and it certainly can use it. Hogs, on the other hand, was down again. It actually started higher, but they've been pressured by lower pork prices, and it's been so difficult to get this market off the ground. So for the last number of days, we've been straight down. But it actually, it seems that the bears just continue to be in control. And until we can find some buying support, the market continues to sink. The U.S. dollar index was actually lower. Hopefully, we were seeing if that was going to give some support. The only good thing is that it wasn't a total washout. So even though the market's lower, we're going to hope for some better news next week, and maybe we'll give it a little bit of a bounce. Technically speaking, the RSI is very, very low. So we get a reversal here. We could see the market really run at least a little bit. That's all from the floor at the CME Group. I'm Virginia McGathey.